Good afternoon, my friends. We'll start same question bank, basic question bank from 151. Which of the following has an essentially rectangular cross section? Slab. Of the following, which is considered the most important structural non-ferrous metal? Aluminum. Which extrusion process uses less pressure due to lower buildup of friction container and billet? Indirect hot working. Powder metallurgy is used to shape, produce refractory material. Which of the following is classed as a refractory material? Tungsten. Splashed metal enwrapped by molten metal that doesn't refuse is called cold shut. It should be SHOT. No, somebody is written like that. Which of the following is classified as a non-ferrous light alloy? Beryllium base. The bottom part of the flask is known as drag. The top part is cope. The casting process. What name is given to the part which is used to represent the finished item, the pattern? Which of the following classed as a manufacturing process? Casting, welding, machining, rolling. All of the above. Metal is fed into casting cavity through gating system. The casting process which produces bar is known as continuous casting. The upper half of a flask is called a cope. So cope, drag, and total is flask. Small metal support which become part of the casting during pouring are called chaplets. Unidirectional cooling. The casting process which gives improved material density towards the outside of the mold is centrifugal casting. The crystal structure of casting adjacent to mold wall will be fine equiaxed grains. The modern manufacturing industries, which of the following factors are considered? Market, product life, design, manufacturing process, all of the above. What material is usually used in injection molding? Thermoplastic. Cobalt is used as an alloying constituent in permanent magnets. Which of the following have approximately square cross section? Bloom and billet. So bloom and billet is square, slab is rectangular. Which of the following is hole making operation? Notching. Products used on load carrying application require more careful testing because failure can cause loss of life, failure can cause loss of use of the product, failure can be expensive, failure can cause danger to other structures. All of the above. Loads which are most likely to cause failure are multidirectional. The general term for local variation in material continuity is called a discontinuity. Where an unacceptable condition occurs in a material due to local variation in material continuity, the term given specifically to this is a flaw. Which of the following could be considered a discontinuity? Crack, change of section, drill hole, all of the above. The study and description of material property related to analytical studies and testing attempts to quantify the toughness of a material is known as fracture mechanics. A flaw which is deemed to be unacceptable standard is called a defect. Which of the following is not considered a mode of failure? Elastic deformation. Brittle fracture is most likely to occur at low temperature. NDT is generally not carried out on cast iron because it is generally used in applications where the loads are principally compressive, not comprehensive, compressive. Porosity is composed of cavities or pores that form when the weld metal solidifies. One or more steps of processing product would cause change in shape and properties. Changing a material's shape can be accomplished in which of the following state? Solid, liquid, plastic, solid and liquid, all of the above. Which of the following is an example of reshaping? Forging. The process of solidification during casting can be linked to that of the welding process. About same. Reshaping a material while in plastic or semi-solid form is called rolling extrusion, both B and C. Which of the following could be referred to as an engineering material? Plastic. Which of the following properties of a material can be used to predict the deflection of a certain size beam under known loads? Young's modulus. Which of the following must be considered when choosing an engineering material for a particular application? Any of the above. Which of the following could affect the properties of an engineering material? Composition, like 189, is cost, loading, mechanical properties, inspection cost. Here, composition, heat treatment condition, crystal structure, all of the above. Which of the following is classed as chemical property? Corrosion resistance. Which of the following classed as a physical property? Density, conductivity, melting point, all of the above. A test designed to determine the material castability would be classified as looking for a processing property. Internal forces acting upon imaginary planes cutting the body being loaded are stresses. A stress caused by forces at an angle to the plane is known as tensile stress. Which of the following may be used as a cutting tool material? Diamonds and cemented carbide. If a material is loaded until its elastic limit is exceeded, then a condition will occur. The material may fracture, the material may work harden, both A and B. The ultimate strength of the material is the same as the breaking strength of the brittle material. The modulus of elasticity is known as Young's modulus. Stress by strain. Which of the following material exhibit better compressive strength than tensile strength? Cast iron, concrete, wood, all of the above. Thank you, gentlemen. We'll stop here.